Alright guys, so today we are going to do the bird's eye chili pepper challenge.
It don't really look that hot to me.
And it's supposed to be 100,000 Scoville heat units hotter than the
And their
Carolina
sexy sisters in it.
And so
Are we eating the whole thing or what?
I don't know, let's just take a bite and see. Alright.
Don't say anything. They're over. Don't say anything.
Is it hot? Is it hot?
I mean, it's pretty fucking warm.
It really is. Alright, here we go. Let's try.
Bite it.
I really can't tell yet. It feels like the heat's just building and building, but I can't really tell. I think I'm gonna take one or two more bites to see
Come
if
on,
the heat
Dad.
gets stronger.
Do it.
But right now I can't really tell. My nose is starting to run. As you can see, it's red inside the pepper. Seeds in there. I hadn't got to the seeds yet.
Ugh.
I'm gonna take another bite just to see.
Oh
yeah. I mean, this, as you can see, the seeds. I got these seeds.
It's getting warm.
And it's a little bit warmer.
Oh yeah, now that.
It's definitely a little bit warmer.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Stop acting dumb on camera, Landon.
Me and him, the challenge was we was gonna see which one of us could eat the whole thing.
That motherfucker's hot. I ain't doing that.
But
Let me eat it. Let me eat it. Let me try. Let me try.
it's really hot. I mean, it's not that hot. I can't.
It's
stop
not
eating
that hot. I can keep eating it, but
Daddy, put it in me.
I'm trying to see
just give me my pepper.
if the heat's gonna keep building up or either
Oh shit.
I don't
it's gonna
think
go away.
that's hot, man.
This bird's eye pepper. I mean, it's hot, but it's not really.
Oh.
It's not really doing nothing for me today. So I'm gonna take one more bite.
Baby, how?
I need some milk.
I know.
Oh,
I think I'm gonna take one more bite of it.
Let me get a bite.
no,
Let me get a big
you
bite.
can't.
Damn, that was hot.
See, I hadn't got to the peppers yet, and they said that's where the most hottest part of the pepper is where the little seeds is.
Do it, David.
So I just now got down to the seeds.
I just bit
Did you take a bite?
I just
here
bit
we
like a
tell.
quarter, man.
My whole bite.
Oh God.
And as you can see,
Damn, Danny.
Man.